Alright students, so students were having a lot of trouble with these questions, and most of the students, all of the students solved their work, but they solved their work with the old method. So what is that old method means? Look, if tan theta is given, which is 1 over 2, and student found the value of theta equals to tan inverse 1 over 2, and theta is equals to 0.4546, and then they substitute this theta value into cot 0.46, and they found that value. Look, this method is the old method. Okay, what is our outcome? Our lesson outcomes is finding trig values. Look, we found the trig values right here, but by using trigonometric identities. Here in this part we did not use any trigonometric identity. So let me show you how we are going to apply trigonometric identities to find our trigonometric values. Okay, now look, we have tan theta equals to 1 over 2 given, and we need to find the value of cot theta, correct? Here, now to find the value of cot theta, I will look up all the identities which are given on our pre-calculus book, page number 301, page 312 and 313. Okay, we are going to follow those. So according to our reciprocal identity, cot theta is equals to 1 over tan theta. Okay, now look, tan theta value is given. Let's substitute that value. Cot theta is equals to 1 over 2. Okay, when you will simplify it, it will become cot theta equals to 2. That's it. This is your answer. Okay, this is called finding cot value or any trigonometric values by using trigonometric identities. Now here is question number 3 from your worksheet that I assigned you. How we will find the value of sine theta when the value of tan theta is given. Tan theta is equals to 7 over 2. Okay, so to find the value of sine theta, first we will write it down, the value of identity for sine theta. We know that sine theta is equals to 1 over cosecant theta, correct? Now to find the value of cosecant theta when tan theta is given, I am going to use a Pythagorean identity, which is cot squared theta plus 1 equals to cosecant squared theta. Okay, now we know that what is cot theta value. How? Because according to the above question, look, we know that cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So I will use this identity. I will say that cot theta is equals to 1 over tan theta. Substitute the value of tan theta. It's cot theta equals to 1 over tan theta is 7 over 2. Now cot theta is equals to 2 over 7. Now this value of cot theta we will substitute here in this identity. It's going to be 2 over 7 and squared plus 1 equals to cosecant squared theta. Okay, now 2 over 7 squared is 4 over 49 plus 1 equals to secant squared theta. Now we will make the denominator same, and it's going to be 4 over 49 plus 49 over 49. It's a simplification. You can use a calculator to do the simplification. I don't have it, so I'm just doing manually. When you will add up these two, it will become 53 over 49 equals to secant squared theta, and we need the value of cosecant theta, not squared, so you have to take square root of it. To take the square root of it, it's going to be 53 square root, and 49 square root is only 7. We got cosecant theta value. Now you will substitute here, and it's going to be sine theta equals to 1 over cosecant theta is square root 53 over 7. And when you will simplify, then it will become sine theta equals to 7 over square root 53. This is the value of sine theta. Now look, you calculated this value by using trigonometric identities. Here is our question number 4. Now in question number 4, given is sine alpha. If you are going to use sine alpha or sine theta, it's the same thing, so just don't get confused about it. They are just giving a different name to the angle. Okay, now to calculate tan theta and secant theta, first we will figure out what are the identities for these two values. Now tan theta, I'm going to use, continue my question with theta, okay, is equals to sine theta over cos theta. Okay, we have sine theta but we don't have cos theta. Okay, we will see. And then we need to find secant theta, and we know that secant theta value is 1 over cos theta. It means if we have cos theta value, we can find values for both unknown values. Okay, so sine theta is given, and if we will use this value, this Pythagorean identity, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. Now let's substitute the values. Negative 4 over 5 squared plus keep cos squared theta equals to 1. I'm going to simplify it, and also taking to the other side, it's going to be cos squared theta equals to 1. Because of squared, this negative will become positive. It's going to be plus 16 over 25. Okay, now add this fraction. It's going to be 25 over 25 plus 16 over 25, and it's going to be cos squared theta equals to 41 over 25. We need cos theta value, not squared, right? So it's going to be square root on both sides. Cos theta equals to 41 over 25. Square root and squared cancel. Cos theta equals to 41 square root over 5. Now this cos theta value we can substitute in these two to get our final answer. Tan theta equals to sine theta value is negative 4 over 5 over cos theta is square root 41 over 5. Okay, now simplify this fraction. 5 and 5 cancelled out, and now tan theta is equals to negative 4 over square root 41. Okay, we got the value of tan theta. Now secant theta is secant theta equals to 1 over cos theta is square root 41 over 5. Simplify this expression, and it's going to be secant theta equals to 5 over square root 41. This is value of secant theta. Clear?